DRM40 DIN rail redundancy module can be used in 3 configurations. In case 1, the DRM40 module is being used for a redundant system requiring a maximum load current of 20 amps. Here, 2 20 amp power supplies are connected to the DRM40. In the event that unit A or B loses its output, the other unit will continue to supply the 20 amp load. Internally, the O-ring FETs will block reverse currents if one of the power supplies fails short circuit, allowing the load to continue receiving power. Alternatively, 2 power supplies can be connected together in parallel, and using the current balancing function, the outputs can be adjusted to provide equal current to supply a load of up to 40 amps. Finally, 2 DRM40 modules may be used to support a 40 amp redundant load. Here, 2 40 amp power supplies are each connected to a separate DRM40. Note that the 2 20 amp inputs are connected together in parallel. In the event that unit A or B loses its output, the other unit will continue to supply the 40 amp load. Internally, the O-ring FETs will block reverse currents if one of the power supplies fails short circuit, allowing the load to continue receiving power.